Dati ako, nung bata ako, I remember, I don't know, it could be different for everybody, pero yung childhood ko kasi, I remember is 'pag umiiyak ako, lagi sa'kin sinasabi ng mga matatanda, "Huwag kang umiyak, huwag kang iiyak." Tapos kapag umiyak ka sasabihin nila, "'Pag hindi ka tumigil umiyak, bibigyan talaga kita ng rason para umiyak." So, as a kid, I was made to believe that crying is a big no-no. Big, big, big no-no. So growing up, tuloy, I had this mentality about crying na hindi siya maganda. Na pag umiyak ka, it's a bad thing. Pag umiyak ka, weak ka, or ibig sabihin, your life is falling apart. Because you're not supposed to cry. Crying is a big no-no. Once na-start ko na yung growth journey ko, did a lot of contemplation about life after reading multiple books, na-realize ko na merong certain beliefs na kailangan mo talagang i-let go to grow. And one of them is that. I have learned that crying is one of the healthiest ways you could be emotionally healthy. Mental health wise, mentally healthy. Pag umiiyak tayo, ay ang sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam kasi nailabas mo na nailabas mo na lahat. Alam mo 'yun, kahit na sa pagmo-move on, 'di ba? Iyak ka lang, iiyak mo lang ng iiyak hanggang sa wala ka ng maiiyak. And then there will come a point na tapos ka na. Tapos ka ng umiyak, wala ka ng iiyak. And then you can move forward with your life. 'Yon ang isa sa mga false beliefs na kinalakihan ko. So if you have something similar, I suggest maybe start thinking about that. Maging self-aware tayo sa mga bagay na pinaniniwalaan natin. Question it. Really have the courage to question a few beliefs that you grew up with. And tanungin mo yung sarili mo, itong belief na to, is it helping with my growth or not? And then from there, you can slowly let it go. Kasi ako, it took many years before I learned that.